Welcome to Euron everyone. This is the announcement video for a new batch that we are going to start for Python, and that too in a live mode. So let's try to understand when this batch is going to start, who is going to teach you, what is a timing and what is a syllabus. So let me share my screen, and here you can see that this is a batch name Python for all. Obviously Python is one of the most popular language, and if I'll talk about a data industry, maybe a data analytics industry, maybe a big data industry, or maybe a data science industry, which comes with the machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, NLP and generative AI. So obviously Python is not one of the most, Python is the most powerful and a simple language which has been used across the entire data industry nowadays. So yes, people are using in a different technology and different industry as well, but yeah, if I'll talk about the data industry, obviously it's just Python. Now here, this batch is going to start from 30th of November, as you can see. So it's going to start from 30th of November. Now what is the timing? So timing is going to be 8:45 a.m. till 10:15 a.m. So for 1.5 hour we are going to take the classes. Now when this is going to happen? So Saturday and Sunday this batch is going to happen, this class is going to happen. Now why live classes? So why not like some of the content which is already available? So yeah, there are some people who love joining a live classes, who love practicing everything or learning everything in a live mode. So that's the reason. So this is a live batch which is available to you, and that too in a super affordable mode, which is like a 2000 only. Apart from this batch, so we have launched other batches as well, so you can go and check out other batches. And yes, if you are having a Euron Plus plan, this batch is by default available to you, again in a super affordable mode, along with other batches as well. Now we have designed this entire syllabus in a comprehensive way, in such a way that we are going to cover each and everything, starting from ABCD of Python till in depth. So starting from, like I said, ABCD means a variable declaration, or maybe doing a setup, OOPS programming concept, file handling, exception handling, APIs, pandas means, which is basically syllabus for a data science or data analytics industry. So we are going to cover each and everything inside this Python batch in a live mode, and along with that we are going to cover 6 projects. So here, because we know that without project it's very difficult to combine the concept, because we all learn a lot of things, but unless and until you are not going to do a project, I don't think that it's going to give you any kind of a benefit. Keeping that in mind, so here is a project that we have mentioned from a different industry in a different genre, so that whatever you are going to learn inside a Python, you will be able to use it and you will be able to implement it, and that too a Python project till deployment. It's not like just a project which is running inside your local machine in your just a laptop. No, not at all. So we are going to learn this entire things in a practical way till deployment, like I have already mentioned. Now who is going to teach you in this batch? So obviously it's going to be me, who is going to take your classes, who is going to teach you in this particular batch. So you can check about me on my LinkedIn, on my social media handles, and everywhere. I'm having in total 10 years of experience. Since last 7 years I'm in this teaching game. So yes, I'm going to teach you this entire concept, and yes, my teaching style is like hands-on and again live coding in each and every session. So it's not like I'll just talk about the theory. No, not at all. Theory, I don't like it. So, and again, it is not going to give you any kind of a benefit to you. So we are going to discuss each and everything in a very practical way. So fine guys, hope all of you are able to understand, and yes, you all are going to join this Python batch. This is what I'm assuming as of now. So please go inside a description, check out all the details, and let me know if you have any kind of a confusion. But yes, let's try to learn this entire Python together along with other classes if you are willing to join, and let's try to build something. With that, thank you so much everyone. See you in the next class.